Welcome to RK's Digital Training. In this video, I'm going to show you how to group the shapes which you have inserted into an Excel. Say for example, I have inserted a shape by going to Insert, go to Shapes, and then I'll be writing a shape like this. Just drag this rectangle shape and I'm writing it as, say for example, tutorial. So after that I wanted to insert one more arrow, say something like I'm just giving an arrow towards to it, and just to make you visible I'm just putting it in the middle so that you will be able to see that. Okay, now you have an arrow here, and after that I'll be entering. So our tutorial is for Excel, so I'm just rewriting this text, Excel tips. So now what we have to do, I'll be trying to move this particular picture. See, I am able to move either one or two, but I wanted to move this entire picture. How do I do it? So make everything at one place, and after that what you have to do is select all the shapes using control option, select all the shapes and then go to your page layout and then group and click on OK. So in this way, if you see, you can directly move the entire shapes whichever the format you have given. Thank you.